Hello everyone, welcome to another video of the Bong Appetite. In today's video, we will show you how to make some delicious fish butter fries in quick and simple steps. Well, if you have always wanted to make this recipe at home but have wondered it will be a difficult one, then this video is definitely for you. So, let's get started. Starting with the first step of marination, I have taken 5 fish fillets and have drowned them in vinegar and have let these sit there for near about 15 to 20 minutes. For the second step of marination, we have to make a paste which will include 1 medium-sized diced onion, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic and 5 to 6 whole chilies. Now, it's time for the second step of marination. First, I will keep aside 1.5 tablespoon of the paste. After that, gently we will spread the paste over the fish fillets so that both of the sides are nicely and evenly covered. Keep aside these marinated fish fillets for near about 30 minutes. Now, for the batter, we would require 2 tablespoons of butter. The batter is the most important part of the recipe, and mixing these ingredients properly is very necessary to get the desired taste. Depending upon the quantity, I have added 6 tablespoons of regular used flour followed by 2 tablespoons of corn flour. A pinch of baking soda, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Now mix well all the dry ingredients. Once done, add 1 egg and around 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or regular rice bran oil. Beat the egg and the oil into the dry ingredients and then add water. Make sure not to add too much of water as we want our batter to be smooth and of thick consistency. Now add the ginger, garlic and onion paste that we have kept aside. Once mixed well, add the melted butter into it and beat the batter for near about 5 minutes. Make sure the batter has no lumps and it is of smooth consistency and not too runny. At last, add salt to taste. Heat the karai and once heated, add regular rice bran oil or vegetable oil. While frying, make sure to lower the flame and you can keep it medium flame. Now fry them one by one until they are golden yellowish in color. Believe me or not, these smell extremely good. Our fish butter fries are ready. This recipe is a perfect appetizer and I'm sure you wouldn't miss the chance to make these at home. So we are signing off finally. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more such videos and we will meet in the next one. Till then, take care.